This week on You Can Do It Too, we have a Diaper Genie. It doesn't seem to be operating properly. As you can see, only one of the flappers is open. So what can we do? Well, we could throw it away. That's what everybody else would do. But not us. We're going to do our best to figure it out. So, that's how it works. I don't know what we're going to do here. But, since I'm already done one of these, I'll just cut to the chase. See those pins? That's what pushes down. If you look close, that one's missing. That one's missing. So let's see. What can we do? Oh, maybe that one's still there. But this one's definitely gone. So, let's take out some screws and see what we can come up with. Of course, they put screws way down there because they don't want you to fix it. Alright, instead of boring you, let me take those out and we'll get right to it.